Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a bit of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 for investment by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video here, the Galaxy Z Flip5 is up for pre-orders visible. So this one will be out on August 11th. So that's when this video will be out on YouTube, is August 11th. So yeah, this is the Galaxy Z Flip5. It is available in the graphite color. 256 gigabytes of storage there. So if you guys like the flip phone form factor, this is the phone for you. So yeah, check it on out. Y'all guys can see that the cover screen is bigger this year on the Z Flip5, which is a very cool upgrade. So yeah, so there is the inside of the Z Flip5, and there's the cover display on the Z Flip5. Very nice looking phone. Y'all guys have your dual camera setup, camera flash and whatnot. There it is in flex mode, very nice. You do have a bit of a camera bump there, so keep it in mind. There it is in flex mode. You got your Type-C charging port, microphone, and your speaker down there. There it is. It's standing up. You have your power button, which also is your fingerprint sensor. Your RAM keys is above that. There is the upgraded cover display on the Z Flip5. So very nice upgrade there. So yeah. So the Galaxy Z Flip5 is $27.75 a month for 36 months, 0% APR. So that's pretty nice. Or it's $9.99 for the 256 gigabyte version. That is full retail price. I suggest you guys get phone insurance for the Z Flip5 because it's definitely worth getting insurance. So get that. If not, you're a dumbass if you don't get insurance for this phone, but that's just my opinion. So you do what you want, alright? So I say meet the phone that's tiny, trendy, and totally flex worthy. With the full cover screen, you can reply to text, preview photos, and access even more widgets than before with your Galaxy Z Flip5 folded shut. And with flex mode, you can capture hands-free selfies and videos from any angle. A compact, durable design makes this pocket-sized phone perfect for a life on the go. Plus, personalize your phone from the outside personalize your phone from the outside and with a customizable cover screen and fashionable covers to show off your style. Flex your phone as bold as you are with Galaxy Z Flip5. Best for the member that is looking for a pocket-sized phone with a big personality, that is definitely what the Z Flip5 is. It says be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates, if any, of course. And I don't know why the text is doing that. So, I don't know why it's doing that. So this is a 5G compatible device. Learn more about Visible's plans for 5G. It says roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you are on the right plan and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs. The Galaxy Z Flip5 has a 6.7-inch main display. That is the internal display. The cover display is 3.4 inches. The main display has a 120Hz refresh rate. So that's pretty cool. The Galaxy Z Flip5 weighs 6.60 ounces. Dimensions: when the Galaxy Z Flip5 is folded, it's 3.35 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.59 inches depth. When the Galaxy Z Flip5 is unfolded, it is 6.50 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.27 inches depth. The Galaxy Z Flip5 supports eSIM and takes a nano SIM card. It has Android 13 with One UI 5.1. So that's very nice. The rear camera, it has a 12 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus, f1.8 aperture. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, fixed focus, f2.2 aperture plus flash. The front facing camera is 10 megapixels. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 octa-core chipset, 256 gigabytes of RAM, and 8 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. It has a 3700 mAh battery, standby time up to 10 days, usage time 22 hours. It has a fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. It has facial recognition, and it has knock secure, so that's pretty nice. It also supports 5G sub-6 GHz C-band and millimeter wave roaming, of course. But you do have to be on the Visible Plus plan to roam. What's included in the box is a Galaxy Z Flip5, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a quick reference guide there. So if you guys want to learn more about the Galaxy Z Flip5, I will have that linked down below. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is now here available by Verizon as of August 11th. So if you guys like the flip phone form factor, this is the phone for you, because it has the flip phone form factor. The biggest improvement over the Z Flip 4 is the cover of the screen, obviously, so you can do a lot of stuff on the cover screen. It's definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested in this phone. It's very pocketable, very compact when it is folded. Definitely worth checking out, and it's definitely worth $1,000 for retail price for the phone. Hey, if you guys like this type of form factor, so check it on out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.